Okay, boom, now it's going on with the video as well. So, how do you know that it wasn't in the video? Oh, you do use Camtasia? Where? Huh? So what? Everywhere? Everybody uses Camtasia here? Oh. I'm blocking the screen. You guys want me to. I raised the thing up, and so now it's way up there, and now this thing's going to fall off the. Okay, guys, got this? Can I move on? Okay, so one of the things with this recording device is that I can't keep pausing and recording. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, maybe I should. Okay, this is the one that we just used. And so when I do the friends table or any tangent of any angle, I always go sine over cosine. I don't memorize tangent. Okay, I memorize sine, I memorize maybe cosine, then I know how to get tangent out of there. So I never memorize tangent, okay? Or cotangent. So you guys know that tangent and cotangent are reciprocal identities. That's why these two have flipped over, right? Okay, that's why you see this guy and this guy flip over. Okay? You guys all right on that? Okay. Let's move on. Okay, so these here are that's why I don't play video games. It's too frustrating. These are extremely important identities. Okay, they're called Pythagorean identities, and really, really important. So let's get them down. Then I'll show you where one of them comes up from. Okay, show you where one of them comes up from. You see? Yes, you do. Sorry? It's kind of small. What's small? The triangle? Oh, you get the idea, right? Can someone tell me what sine theta is equal to in the triangle? Given that this is a right triangle. What's sine theta equal to? A over C. Everybody with me on that? Cosine theta? B over C. So if you want to square the left-hand sides and add them together, you're going to do the same thing to the right-hand sides? Yes? Yes? So this becomes A squared over C squared plus B squared over C squared. Everybody with me on that? Which is equal to A squared plus B squared over C squared. Yes? What's A squared plus B squared equal to? C squared. Where does that come from? Pythagorean theorem. Hence the Pythagorean identities. Okay? And that's equal to 1. Isn't that nice? You guys not impressed? Okay, Evelina, I get the sarcasm. That's all right. Are you impressed with the technology at least? Nice. Spent a lot of bucks on this. Okay, so this one here is telling you to find all the trig functions. How many trig functions are there? 6. How many are given to you? 1's given to you. Okay, so think about this in a triangle, okay? Here's theta. Sine theta 0.6 as a fraction is 6 over 10, better? 3 over 5. So then this be 3 and this be 5. Yes? Can you guys find out this side here? Sorry? 4. Everybody knows this? Where from? Fantastic. Who that? Nice. Okay, the Pythagorean triplets. 3, 4, 5. And then you should be able to find cosine theta and so on. Okay? Do it. This kind of problem is what causes a lot of issues with students, okay? And it's to be done in a very specific way. Okay, first of all, it's an identity, which means that no matter what theta is, whether it's 10 degrees, 1 degree, a tenth of a degree, you plug it into the left-hand side of the equation, it'll always be equal to 1. Always. Okay? So the way you do this is you start out with one side of the identity. And typically, I start out with the left-hand side of the identity. Okay? Typically, I start out with the left-hand side of the identity. So then what I do is I'm going to FOIL this guy. Okay, I'm going to FOIL this guy. So I get CSC squared theta minus cotangent squared theta. Notice that I'm not putting equals 1 yet. Okay? This is what I'm saying is that left-hand side is equal to that. Everybody see the foiling on that? Everybody understand where the foiling is coming from? It's like a plus b times a minus b equals a squared minus b squared. Okay? Yes? You're confused a little. Okay, so let me go write this down and show you the actual foiling. And so then this is CSC theta minus cotangent theta. Okay, notice that I'm not putting equals 1. Do not do that. Do not do that. So to FOIL this, you're going to do this times this, right? Okay, and then you're going to do this times this. That's going to give you a minus CSC theta cotangent theta. Yes? And then you do this times this. That gives you a plus. So the two cancel. Okay? And then this times this gives you minus cotangent squared theta. Alright? Is everybody with me on that? And go back to your Pythagorean identity. Go back to your Pythagorean identity. So let's go back. Do you see that? You guys see that Pythagorean identity? Is that equal to 1 or what? CSC squared minus cotangent squared? Arash and the guys there. You guys see that this is being recorded now, right? So if I send an email to your parents and they know that I'm calling an Arash to S up, then hopefully you get your B kicked. Okay?